How much did you put down?
20 bands.
20 bands. How much are you paying per month?
$1,183.
How long are you financing for?
285 months.
Yes, sir, Miss Min.
Y'all, 285 months is 24 years. That's a mortgage. For those of you that don't want to get screwed over when you go to the car dealership, because they will screw you over if you fall for it, I'm just going to give you a couple tips from this video as to what should have been done. So firstly, a 24-year lease, those don't really exist, but cars depreciate fast. So anything over 20 years is, an immediate red flag, but you shouldn't be paying for anything over 8 years, and 8 is even really high. Just because by the time you're done paying it off, the car will be worth nothing. Like, why did you do that? That means your bill is just a liability. You do not own an asset. You own a liability. The second thing I want to talk about is the monthly payment, $1,187. This one's really important because a lot of people actually do have monthly payments like that, especially when it's a luxury car. And that's the red flag here is, yes, you could be paying that much if it's a luxury car, but with a $20,000 down payment and that long of a lease, that combination makes no sense at all. That is extremely predatory. So you should not be, if you have a high payment, the months should be relatively low, under 5 years. Specifically, you should only see numbers like that for luxury cars that are really expensive. If this is a car that's $40,000, you should not be paying that much, please. And then the third red flag is $20,000 down should be paying for a huge chunk of your car. So that in turn should make your monthly payment significantly lower. So that's a red flag. If you're gonna put a lot down, you should see a great decrease in your monthly payment. And she didn't get that. If she paid that car off by the end, she would have paid $358,000. Like, you could have just got a Rolls Royce or a Lamborghini. So the takeaway here is don't lease for anything longer than 60 to 72 months. It should be lower than that, but that's like where we max out. Also, when you're at the dealership, ask them after all the fees, after all the payments, after the car is paid off, what is the total cost of the car? So you can really see how much you're paying for that car. And I know sometimes you really, really want a car, but at the car dealership, their job is to get as much money out of you as possible. So you have to walk out. Yes, walk out. They're used to it. And that's how you also get them to negotiate. Actually, the car I have now that's almost paid off, we walked out and then we came back and we got so much taken off of my car. I'm like, so lucky. My parents both worked in the car industry for 20 years or something. So I luckily had help, but not everyone has help. So these are the things you need to avoid. And by the way, this is a parody video, but I think it's a very good educational piece. Hope this helps, and I'll talk to y'all later.